Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered or snap page crashes or other page loading errors in Google Chrome, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the simplest solution is, if you're getting this error message, is to reload the page by clicking on this reload symbol here or clicking on the URL. Say for example, I am looking for this URL and it is showing me this snap error or some page loading error. So I will just click on it and enter again and it should reload. Now if that doesn't work and I'm still facing the error, then I will delete the cookies and the cache. So I will click on the three buttons here and I will go to history, click on history and then click on delete browsing data, select all time and then make sure that these three boxes are checked, cookies and cache, and then click on delete. Now the next thing we can do is we can close the other tabs. So if there are multiple tabs like this and we are facing error on this tab, then I will close the rest of the tabs and I will then again click on reload and it should work. If it doesn't, then we will do two other things, or one other thing is we will update. So let's look for help here, about Google Chrome, and you will see that it will update in some time. Now if you're getting an error like this, you need to reinstall Google Chrome. For that you can go to the start button, or you can right click on the start button, go to settings and then go to apps, click on installed apps and then you can click on the three buttons here on Google Chrome, click on uninstall, and then you can reinstall Google Chrome by looking for Chrome download and then download Google Chrome, and then you can click on download Google Chrome and run the installer. Now the final solution is to restart the computer. So click on the start button, click on the power button, click on restart. Then once it restarts, you can open Google Chrome and you should no longer face this snap page crash or any other page loading error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.